Hi there, I hope you're all well. We're currently in the UK coronavirus lockdown, and along with going out for a daily walk, I've been alternating that with cycling. And I bought this fold-up cycle in September last year, and I am going to do a review on this because I do like it and I want to tell you a bit more about it. However, one of the things that's happened is the bearings have gone in the pedal. It's only less than a year old, and they've gone in both pedals. Currently Go Outdoors is closed, so rather than do damage to the crank by continuously riding these, which would eventually jigger the screw threads in the crank, and then I'd have to replace the whole crank unit, I've actually bought some replacement pedals. But because this bike is less than a year old, when Go Outdoors opens I will take the pedals back and get some kind of recompense for that. When I bought these pedals, I got them from Amazon. I'll put a link in the description below. They were by Aaron, they were quite expensive, a little bit smaller than these, and they're not folders. These pedals are actually fold-up pedals. However, these are slightly smaller. I think you can see that this pedal, if I push that up to the crank, hopefully you can see it is about ½ an inch smaller. So it doesn't really matter that it doesn't fold so much. I think they will be a bit lighter than this because this is an aluminium alloy as well. So they're rather nice looking pedals. They have brilliant reviews on Amazon. As I say, I'll put a link in the description below so you can check them out. Now, I did try taking these off with an adjustable wrench, but it didn't really fit and it didn't work. So I also ended up buying a proper pedal spanner. So I'll put a link for that below too. And I have taken the liberty, so that I don't make a fool of myself on here, of just loosening these off. Now, if you've never changed pedals before, in case you're not aware, on this side where the chain is, it's just a standard thread. It screws in, so it's right to tighten, left to loosen. One. So let's just have another look at these pedals. They've got sealed bearings, which I like as well. They do feel like good quality. They had excellent reviews. On each one of them it says R and L, so it does tell you which one goes where. So this one goes in here and screws in, as I say, with a standard screwing right to tight. So this one screws in the other way. So this one is left to tight, which feels weird because we don't normally work that way. So that's that one in. Okay, so that's those on. I'll let you know how I get on. Thank you for watching. Please give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Quick and easy one. And I'll see you after the lockdown. See you soon. Bye.